Hello, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the course. So, this is going to be a quick, short video about how to grab a link to test your bot on Facebook Messenger. Okay, now, in the previous video, I think I told you to go over to your personal Facebook page if you're looking to grab that link. Let me go to my personal Facebook page first. And then I remember telling you to go to the Facebook page that you've already connected Chatbot Builder account to, right? And then I remember telling you to click switch right here and then switch over to the page. I figured out a new way to quickly grab the link, okay? But I'm just showing you this real quick. So remember I told you you have to go over here to the top right, click right there, and then after that you have to go over here where you see that settings thing, click right there. Okay, and then you can now grab this link, right, and use that to test your AI chatbot on Facebook Messenger. Forget about this one. I just recently discovered this easy method of grabbing the link. Okay, so I wanted to show that to you so you don't have to go through that longer process. So the shortest way to grab the link is once you come over here to your CBB account, make sure that you are on the page where it says analytics. Okay, and then you see right over here, I'm assuming that at this time you have already hooked up your chatbot builder to your Facebook account, okay? Because if you see this, that means you've already done that, okay? So once you're ready to test the link, all you have to do is just click this box right here. You can click it one time and then it will pull this up right here, okay? So you can use this link to test it, to test your AI bot on Facebook Messenger on desktop, okay? You could just click the link. And once you click on it, you should see something just like this right here. So this is what the user is going to see right before they initiate engagement with your bot. Okay, so this is usually the kind of view that I like to see and use to test my bot. Okay. Or if you want to test it on your mobile device, you can just pull out your mobile device and just scan this QR code, and you will be able to test your AI chatbot on Facebook Messenger. Okay, so that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. It's just to show you a quick shortcut to grab that Facebook link. Okay, no need to go through that long process here. Okay, all right. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.